Hello everyone. Today I'll take you to Nice, a very famous city located in the French Riviera, also known as Côte d'Azur in French. It is in the southeast coast of France on the Mediterranean Sea, famous primarily for its beaches and an amazing warm weather throughout the year. But one thing for which this city is the most famous is its Carnival, also known as Carnaval de Nice. Founded in 1873, Nice Carnival is certainly the biggest carnival of France. Each year, the festival is organized on a given theme, and in 2019, when I attended this festival, the theme was King of Cinema, which in French would be known as Roi du Cinéma. It was organized to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the city's mythical Victorian studios, opened in 1990. There were majorly three events in the festival: Carnival Day Parade, Night Parade, and Bataille des Fleurs, which in English would be known as Battle of Flowers. Out of these three, I happened to visit the Battle of Flowers. With a magnificent view over the Mediterranean Ocean, the elegance of this event evokes the natural heritage of the region. The floral theme was incorporated into the costume of models, which you can see in front of you, who distributed thousands of petals to the audience. This event, which is known as Bataille des Fleurs or Battle of Flowers, took place at the Promenade des Anglais. In this event, 20 tons of confettis and 250,000 flower stems were used. You can buy a double ticket for the Carnival parade and the Battle of Flowers for 40 euros and reduced prices for children. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have also launched our YouTube membership of various levels with tons of benefits. You can check the same by clicking on join button you are seeing on your screen just below the video. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir et bisous bisous.